Good day traders, it's Jason from Sureshotfx. Today I have got another forecast about GBPUSD for the upcoming week. Before you look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with GBPUSD market. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So we'll start our analysis on hourly time frame. As you can see here, market changes character from this point, and afterwards market continued its bearish momentum and created lower low, lower highs and lower lows. We can see clear mitigation of order flow in the market. So what are we expecting from GBPUSD this week? As this is Monday, market just opened and we are expecting that market may took out this last week low and mitigate this 4-hour order block. And then we might notice a short-term pullback from which we can take a long setups till this order block. And if this order block gets respected this and give us a lower time frame market shift, then we can look for short setups for further lower. If we hide our drawings and go to high time frame, what can we see? On high time frame, we can clearly notice that market is very bullish with higher highs, lows and higher highs. So the bearish move that we are noticing a pullback of this huge bullish leg. On 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that market shifted at this point, broke this structure and continuing bearish order flow. So we have marked the demand zone from this order block because this swept the liquidity and market momentum started from this point and went upwards. You can clearly see that this is the 4-hour order block. So if market wants to end this pullback, it might give us a reaction from this order block, or if it wants to go lower, then we might get a reaction from this order block. So let's head back to our hourly time frame and discuss what are we expecting from GBPUSD this week. We're expecting that market initially may give us a false reaction to this order block and then might give us a reaction and we can look for short-term buy opportunity till this bullish order block. Then we can look for another short setup. If we get a reaction, then we can continue to go lower. But we also have to keep in mind that we are bearish until this high gets broken. So let's summarize the forecast for you once again. According to hourly time frame, market is clearly bearish, but on 4-hour on daily time frame, market is bullish. So as this Monday, we are expecting a false move, then we can expect a mitigation of this order block and market may continue to go down. And if this high gets broken, then market may continue to go upwards. So that's all for our GBPUSD forecast for this week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today and I'll see you in our next video.